Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this quick DIY, I'm going to be installing the pedal commander on my 2020 Kia Telluride SX Prestige. Let's go ahead and get this DIY started. I'm just up and close and personal on the pedal commander. So of course your Eco, your City, your Sport, and your Sport Plus, those are your 4 different option modes, but you can customize each of those option modes by the plus or the minus. So let's say I want to go to City and I want to do +2, right? So I'll plus it up 2. But let's say the City's great, but it's a little too sensitive for me, so I'm gonna minus it down a little bit. So you can tone each one up or down from each of the settings, and of course, being Bluetooth enabled, you can use the Pedal Commander app, which will allow you to do it from your smartphone. The main thing on the Telluride is mostly the pedal input. It's very laggy. Like, it is the worst I've really ever had in a vehicle. So I'm really looking forward for the Pedal Commander to take out that absolute lag, which I'm sure it will do. It's a quick plug and play, of course, which is great. So it just changes the pedal signal, of course. Completely reversible, non-traceable on the actual ECU. And you can leave it in when you go in for service if you want to, but you can always remove it, of course. Takes really no time at all. It just unclips, clips back in. So it's a very simple install that, of course, anybody can do on my very own Telluride. Let's go over here and go ahead and get this all installed. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this little cap here. Pop it out. $10mm. Go ahead and remove that 10mm bolt. Start to come loose a little bit. You're gonna move this cap here, just flip it up. Gonna have a nut in there, which is also 10mm. With that removed, you now pull the pedal out of the way. And that's where you're gonna get to the connector. Still doesn't give us a lot of room, but there we go. We can easily remove it a little bit better. Next, we're going to take the pedal commander. Simple as plugging the other one in to that connector. Then plug in the other end to pedal. Make sure it clicks. So you hear a click there. Both sides are good. Clicked on. Put our nut back on here. Tighten it until it stops. Go ahead and shut your cap there. Now off to the 10mm bolt here. Tighten until it stops. Go ahead and put your cap back on. All right. Next, we'll go ahead and turn the car on, put it on one of the modes. And then what we will do is I'm gonna hide it back up in here because I'm gonna then connect it to the app. I'm gonna just go ahead and power on the car here. Now we're going to power on the pedal commander. It's an Eco. So put it in City, and I'm gonna go City +1. So I'm gonna do the City, good for obviously city driving, but I'm gonna up it just to 1 just to get the most sensitivity there. So with the pedal commander hidden down in the back, so I tucked it up in that area. Can't see it anywhere around, doesn't get anywhere near the pedal whatsoever to interfere, and you can't see it. Start the car. All right, now it's connected. You see I have it on City +1. You know, obviously you can change it to Sport. As soon as you just hit Sport, you can do Sport Plus. Then you can adjust your settings if you want to go up or down. And this is if you want to tone down any certain kind of sensitivity of it. And it's really trying to find your sweet spot as far as what you like, because it's all about what you like, how you like your Telluride to really operate in general. All right, over here on the dial here. So whatever you have it set to on your pedal commander, as such, that's fine. But whatever you have it set to here, your same settings will still apply. Meaning if I'm on City +1, which is obviously even more enhanced than the stock settings, you can go to Comfort, or you can go to your Smart mode, and it's just going to enhance each of these once. Now if I put it on Sport mode, it's going to be even more enhanced than Comfort or Smart based on the pedal commander. So this is where you have to kind of dial in, you know, what exactly you want. So the good thing about a pedal tuner is that it's already going to be even more enhanced than how it is from the stock perspective. So if you're the type that always has it in Smart or always in Comfort, you'll be perfectly fine. You'll have no delay, of course, with accelerating, and Comfort and Smart are going to feel that much better than they already are now. If you want to crank it up even more, you know, go to Sport. And then if you want to crank it up even more, then you can go to Sport or Sport Plus on here. It's going to bring out that pedal response even more. Now we're Sport mode on here and Sport mode on the pedal tuner. All right, here we go. Whoa. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow. That is legit no joke. No joke at all. So coming from a twin turbo BMW as my other car that I have, that obviously I use on this channel, the speed is not there from what I'm used to, but comparing to how this is completely with no pedal tuner, then add it on and then do the Sport mode plus again the Sport mode on the pedal tuner, it's the world of difference as far as the responsiveness of just this SUV. So like I said, I have one on that BMW, which was much needed, huge improvement overall compared to what I had before. So that's a big deal, and that's why I wanted to do with this one, because I just really hated the delay. The delay is really bad on this when it's completely stopped. So, like I said, you can fine-tune any of your different settings that you want. I mean, it's just so, look at that. It's just so touchy. You're gone, and you're already going like 50 miles an hour. So, it's So let's tone it back in Comfort mode. Now you're gonna have the joys of a Comfort kind of mode, but with a little bit less responsive. So like I said, you gotta fine tune your dial, fine tune exactly what you like, what you don't like, and then go from there. That's really about it. All right guys, thanks for checking out the video today. Check out the pedal tuner down in the description box below. It's the PC71.
as long as you have that, you're fine. It's not going to say the Telluride just because the Telluride is just so new, but I confirmed that with the company itself as far as pedal commander. So it is the correct one. Really, theoretically, a lot of the, you know, car brands in general, but especially Kia, they're going to use the same type of pedal connectors on the car. So you'll be good to go. But that's exactly the same one that I have here on my Telluride SX Prestige, the PC71. It's already fully calibrated. You don't have to do any kind of calibration whatsoever. Just plug it in and go. Easily removable, non-traceable. If you want to, you can also turn it off, but still keep it connected. So you can do that. You can power that off. So that's an option for you if you want. But like I said, it's a very simple process. No cutting, no nothing. Just easy plug and play install that you can eliminate that lag when you press down on the gas pedal. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions at all. You know, big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know, check out the other videos that I have. Might have something for you. And as always, thanks. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Take care.